Wildfires continue to rage in the Carolinas. More than 6,000 acres have burned, and there's a risk of further damage to areas already ravaged by Hurricane Helene. A dangerous combination of high temperatures, strong winds, and low humidity have helped the flames spread, causing evacuations and National Guard deployment. Michael Yoshida has a closer look at the effort to contain the fires.
Crews battling flames across the Carolinas. Wildfires burning thousands of acres and destroying some homes, too.
It was chaos. We was up here trying to put the fire out. We couldn't get it out, so the fire department come. The wind picked up, and after that happened, it was all she wrote.
Thousands ordered to evacuate. These residents scrambling to protect their RVs and equipment.
If it does reach this far, our equipment won't get burned up. Literally, it's just kind of keep everything kind of away from the brush line as best we can.
In South Carolina, the governor declared a state of emergency. The National Guard deploying, dropping water over burned areas as massive plumes of smoke rise from the hills. In both the Carolinas, firefighters must deal with the large number of leaves, trees, and other debris left behind by Hurricane Helene.
I feel bad for all the people that live here with the Helene and this back to back.
Hundreds of personnel, including some from other parts of the country, are working to contain the wildfires. This weekend's weather adding to the challenge.
High elevated winds, higher temperatures, lower relative humidity. So we are seeing all those conditions that's contributing to higher and more intense fire spread.
We're sad that it happens, but we're all glad to be able to just join in together and work as one team.
In Washington, I'm Michael Yoshida reporting.